This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, August 20th, 2018. This one here I got a call for no AC. So I'm on my way over there before I worked for this guy before. We'll have to see what's going on. His outside unit's not working. It's outside condenser. So we'll have to go over there and see what it is. On the water here. It's on the ocean. Alright, so that's dry. No water in there. Yeah, so let's turn it on. I'll check it outside.
Alright. This is the downstairs.
Alright, so we'll pull it apart and we'll check it. What's going on with it. That's definitely bad, that 35.5 contact hasn't pulled in yet though. That capacitor is bad, I could tell by looking at it. It's got a hard stock kit on it. We got the dead mouse. Might be on time delay. I'll wait and see if this contactor pulls in. I ain't getting no voltage yet. That's on.
I don't know what's happening. The air handler is not coming on now. Is it possible you tweaked that float switch or something?
Oh, because it was running the other time I was here.
Yeah. Yeah, it ran the other day when I had it. But this is separate.
It was running the other day.
Yeah, no, when you just checked that to see if it was the float switch.
No, it only that won't shut that off. It just shuts this off.
Huh.
The float switch.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if it backs up water, it lifts and shuts this off to stop it from flooding.
Okay.
That's all that does. But the thing upstairs isn't running.
So I checked the circuit breaker. It's on.
All right, we'll have to go back up there and check that then, I guess. I got low voltage but no high voltage here. I got nothing coming in. Let's go check it downstairs. Show me where the breakers are. You know where they are?
Yeah.
Partially, you got to shut them off and reset them completely.
Okay.
That might be what the deal is.
That would be incredible if that's all it was. I think I did do that.
Well, right there, that one's off.
28 and, well, no, that's something else. These are the two. This is the one that's
Well,
off.
what's this 26 one?
36 is, that's that induction oven. Sonia doesn't like it, so we keep it off.
$27, $28. That's this one.
That's the other side of the house.
Okay, so that should do it right there. Should give us power back, right?
Yeah, this is the one outside the kitchen.
You sure this is the one that's off, right? Yeah. Okay. We'll go see if we got power out there now. Nothing. Could be this breaker's bad. I mean, very possible. Let me check it.
Well, if they catch it early, they can do a lot. But it still sucks, I agree.
I bet you that breaker's a problem. So let's see if we got power coming in. So this should be the power coming in. We got power coming in. Nothing going out. We got a bad breaker.
Okay.
So that should be an easy fix.
If you can find one.
No, I got them in my truck. I'll put a whatever 50, 60 amp in there. Alright, that's the problem.
I think it's a 40 amp, isn't it?
Well, you got it protected 40 amps there, so whatever I put in here, as long as it's bigger, it don't matter.
Okay.
This is just a disconnect.
I see. The weather got to it.
Yeah, these are very known for that. Square D. Alright, here's a 50 amp one I save. Sometimes I'll save them on, when I go do a job, I'll save them. And they're good. We'll use them on them disconnects. Alright, he's gonna go shut the breaker off down cellar, and then we'll switch it out for him. Make sure that it's off. Yeah, alright, the power's off now, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. Power is off, I checked it. All good. Alright, go turn it on. We'll try it. Should be fine. Should be fine now. Should start right up. We'll find out. I said I save these. If I take them out from a job and they're good, I'll save them. You know, it's a bad design, these suckers. I don't know why, but they're always an issue. We'll see if it works now. When he turns it on, we'll check it.
Let's do it.
It's on?
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's try it and see. No, it's got a bad capacitor. The hard start's starting the compressor, but not the fan. It's got a bad, I gotta change that capacitor too. It's alright, I got them in the truck. 35.5. Let's change it out. Alright, the fan started. Guys, I just left that job. The homeowner did say that he shut that outside breaker off and turned it on. Them square D breakers are known for, you know, especially if they're old, you shut them off, they won't come back on. I mean, that's just how it is. It gets corroded in there. So we had to put a new breaker in there, and then when I got power, the compressor started, but the fan wouldn't spin because that capacitor was dead. So we changed that. We strapped a new capacitor in there. And put that other breaker in there and fired him up. Check the charge, he's good to go. I was just there last week.
3/4 of a mile.
But you know,
to the end of the street, then turn right.
I don't always go through every unit, check everything on every unit unless the guy wants me to do a, you know, an annual service. He calls me for a repair. I go there, do the repair on it. I don't go through every unit and check every unit out, you know, an annual, unless he wants to pay me for it. So if they break, I go fix them. That's how it is.